Hello, beautiful. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, no matter how many products you buy, no matter how often you moisturize your hair still feels dry? Like you just did your routine yesterday, and today your hair already feels thirsty again? If that is you, it's not because your hair is too dry. It's not because you are not doing enough. And it's definitely not because you need more product. It might be because you are missing one fundamental pieces. Guess what? You ready for this? Her porosity. And today I am going to break this down in a way that will completely change how you care for your hair. Are you ready for this? Let's go dive in. See, welcome back to Bellis Hair Restoration. I am Coach Malaika, holistic nutrition health coach and menopause hair restoration expert. And one thing I have learned, both personally and professionally, is this. Healthy hair is not just about what you apply. It's about how you care or how your hair responds to things that you are using. And hair porosity is one of the most overlooked factor in natural hair care, especially for women with fuzzy hair. Ladies, we know. Trust me, I know your struggle. Because if you don't understand how your hair absorb, and retain moisture, you can be doing all the right thing and still get the wrong results. And this is why. Now, I'm going to explain in a little, just like easy peasy go. Let's simplify this. Hair porosity is in simply what? You ready? Hair porosity is simply your hair ability to absorb and hold moisture. Point final. That's a little French there. That is how, imagine that. Imagine your hair shrink like a doll. If your hair shrink is like a doll, I mean shrink. Not shrink, your hair shrink like a doll. Some doors are very tight. Some doors are wide open. Some are somewhere in the middle. That's exactly how porosity works. Now, people who have low porosity, welcome. See, the cuticle is tight closed. Water and porridge struggle to get in. So what happened then? I'm glad that you want to know. See, porridge sits on top of the hair and hair feel coated, but stay dry. Moisture doesn't penetrate easily. Welcome to my world. High porosity. Okay. This one right here. The cuticle is very open. So what happened next? Hair absorbs moisture quickly, but loses just as fast as hair feel. He loses as fast as he absorbs it. As soon as you put stuff on your hair, have you feel that way before? You go outside, there's just like everything is gone. Hair feel dry again shortly after moisturizing. And this right here is where many women get confused. See, because you are treating all hair the same way. But Queen, we all different. You are unique on your own. You are out there. There's no two of you. It's only one. But not all hair behave the same way. See, if you have low porosity hair and you are laying heavy product like shea butter, for example, which is very heavy, if you have high porosity and you are not sealing properly, guess what? Your hair lost everything you just applied. Because what you just apply, either way is too heavy or it's too light. So now you end up in this cycle of moisture, dry, moisture again, dry, moisturize again, and dry. And it feel like your hair is fighting you. How many of you guys feel like that? I know I've been there. Now, I want to talk common things that happen that a lot of us, we don't know or we are not aware of. Common mistake that you and we made all the time. See, using product without understanding your hair type. That's another one, another mistake. Following routine that don't match your porosity. That's wrong. Thinking more product equal better result. That's way wrong. In order to have your hair actually respond, and one of the biggest one is this, comparing your hair to someone else's hair. How many of us, we all been there, done there, right? What works for one person may not work for you. I would say about individuality. That's this principle that somebody else's poison, maybe somebody else's food may be your poison. Someone else's hair care may be your poison hair care. You cannot use it for your hair. So what works for one person may not work for you, because porosity change everything. Does that make sense, ladies? Give me a thumbs up if that makes sense. Now, once you understand your porosity, everything is become easier. Why? Because now you are using things that are for you, not for somebody else. So if your hair is low porosity, using lightweight product, applying moistures or damp or warm hair, use gentle heat to just what? Help with absorption. Because see, with people who are low porosity, the heat actually help a lot. Because your cuticles are tight. The only thing we can open your cuticle is heat. Now, if you have or your hair is high porosity, focus on sealing moisture. Use cream and oil strategically. Avoid over manipulation. Okay? It's not about doing more, Queen. No. It's about doing what actually work for you. Work for your hair type, because it's your hair. Okay? Now, honestly though, this is something that I had to learn myself. Listen, when I first started going natural, oh my Lord, I wake up in the morning that somebody just whooped me, like my hair just like, and you guys can see my hair shrink a lot. This is something I learned on my own, and I learned to trying and error. This was a time I was doing everything, buying product, trying routine. I hear something on YouTube, I'm going to try it as well, and still feeling frustrated until I realized it wasn't that my hair wasn't responding. It was that I didn't understand it yet. And once I shift, that everything also changed. And that's what I want for you, ladies. Once you understand your hair type, and I'm telling you, and you work according to the principle, your hair will grow. So if your hair has been feeling, or if your hair has been feeling dry, unmanageable, and also frustrating, because it's frustrating you. When we feel like I'm buying all of this expensive stuff, I'm using but nothing works. Guess what? Your hair is not the problem. I want to tell you that, Queen. It's not your hair. Your hair is communicating, basically speaking to you. And when you learn to listen, that's when transformation begins. The moment that you step into understanding and listen, I promise you, your hair is going to change. That is something that I can tell you, yes, 100%. In this video, if this video helped you today, I want you to comment below. Now I understand my hair. And let me know, do you think your hair is low porosity or high porosity? And if you're ready to go deeper, make sure you subscribe to Queen Bellis. Also, we don't just care for the hair. We learn how to understand it. And I will see you in the next video, my friends. Talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Bye.